Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about an easiest thing I ever did. So our topic is how we can switch account on Chrome, Google Chrome in 2025. So as you can see, we are already landed in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So here, if you want to switch your account to different panel, you can do it by in a click. So here actually you can see we are already in a portal which is login with an Gmail that's called projecthn01@gmail.com. So if you want to switch into another profile with another things, then you just need to click over here this icon, and then here you can see we have other Chrome profiles also listed here. So you just need to be select one of them, or if you want to add, like let's select one of them and let's see what will happen. Just click this one, work for me, and then here actually you can see that we get almost the new panel here, and we already changed our extension and our profile already been changed. So if you want to add Chrome profile in here, you just need to click on add profile, and then you just need to be signed in or continue without an account. Just click over here, and this is the Ghost account. So in this way you can easily switch profile this to another one. This is the easiest way. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.